by Adiba Alam. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam. What should we do if we forget if we have wudu or not? Should we make wudu again or not? This is a common question that people may not realize that whether they are in the state of wudu or not. So the ruling here is that what you remember last is to be taken. For example, you know very well that now is the time for Asr. I know very well that you did wudu for Zohar Salah. But you are not sure whether your wudu has broken or not. Did you do any act which broke your wudu? You're not sure. So here the ruling is that what you remember is for sure. If you don't remember, think that your wudu is there. But if you're sure that your wudu is broken, then it becomes compulsory that you should refresh your wudu. But if you remember very well you did your wudu, and you don't remember at all that your wudu has broken, and you are in doubt that whether it's there or not, if you don't remember at all that your wudu has broken, but you remember that you have done the wudu, in this case, you should take it for granted that your wudu is yet there, and you need not refresh your wudu. But if you feel that, no, I think my wudu has broken, if you think it is broken, then preferable do it. If you think you remember something about it, but if you don't remember anything, then you need not do it. This is the ruling as far as the wudu is concerned.